Okay, real quick, why don't we go ahead and try to knock out this handle, learn a couple more modeling techniques. We won't get it to be perfect, but we'll definitely get it looking good. I'm going to go ahead and create another cube here, move it over, and we're going to scale it down quite a bit. Zoom in there. And we're going to add some subdivisions to it. We could use the Add Edge tool, or if you go to Modeling Toolkit, we can just add divisions here. Now that's not what I want when I add divisions. So another way we could do that is, remember in the attribute editor, if we go to this polycube 2 here, we can add subdivisions where we want them. In this case, I want maybe one there, I want a couple along here, so that I can kind of turn it so it looks a little bit different there. And that's what we're going to do. Maybe I'll add another subdivision there. Okay. And I'm going to go to the modeling toolkit and I'm going to use the soft selection again. So I'm going to select these vertices here and I'm going to move them. Guess we'll definitely need to go down to about 1 here. There we go. Kind of move those over like that. And I'm going to select this one, move them over like this. So we kind of get this rounded look on this object here. And then I'm going to go to edge selection. I'm going to shift double click, get out of soft selection mode, and I'm going to shift double click there, shift double click there. I'm going to actually add some bevel to this object, and you'll kind of see what that does here in a second. Let me make sure I have that back selection too though. Shift double click. All right, so I have some of these edges selected here. If I go to edit mesh and bevel, I get kind of these smooth edges here, and I could add more segments to it. What I'm trying to do is get a bit more of a detailed object and create something similar to that. All right, doesn't have to be perfect, no, but just any bit of depth or any bit of realism you can add, go ahead and do it, you know, especially if it's quick and easy. If it takes too long and it's just going to be seen at a distance, you don't worry about it. I'm going to go ahead and select faces here, shift double click right there, and faces here, shift double click. And I'm going to extrude, control E, change the thickness just a little bit, maybe just go 0.1. Ooh, that's too much. 0.01. Okay, so barely anything at all. I could probably go 0.02 there without a problem. There we go. Okay, so I've got kind of a handle thing going on there. I need to add this kind of doohickey. And so since we're not freshmen, I'm going to show you how to do that with curves in the next lesson. I'll see you then.